Every child deserves the chance to succeed, but sometimes language barriers can hold them back. Introducing a powerful English learning platform designed for every learner. It's interactive, self-paced, tailored just for them. It builds core English skills, reading, listening, speaking, and with writing feature coming soon. It seamlessly aligns with the NCERT curriculum, making it perfect for schools across India. A supplementary learning program to recognize every student's strength and learning gaps. Teachers get real-time, easy-to-read reports, tracking progress at every step. Get a clear view of your class. Close the learning loop. Help students learn independently and communicate confidently. The future of English learning is here. Simple to adopt, powerful in impact. Let's empower every learner. Together, we can make it happen.